Hello, let us get in and play with installation. So first thing I'll do is go ahead and just close Blender. I'm going to press down the Windows button and R, and that will bring up a run window. But before that, let me turn on my screencast keys. There we go. So in this window, I'm going to type in %appdata% and then press enter. And that will take me to my app data area. From here, I'm locating Blender Foundation, where I am going to just go into the Blender Foundation folder and just simply rename the Blender folder to Blender A. This is my entire configuration basically, and I'm just renaming it so that I can get back to it after this video is concluded. But with that, let us go ahead and open up Blender. In this case, I'm just going to boot up 5.2 on the daily, and it will pop up full screen. We'll scale that to fit. And first thing I'll do is just set spacebar to search, click on continue, maybe press Shift H to hide the light and the camera, and here we are ready to go. So first thing I guess I'll do, install, then I will install box cutter, and then I will install hard ops. And for these, I'm just dragging and dropping them from the folder to Blender itself, and we see that everything is now installed, so we are now good to go. I'm going to press Alt W to start box cutter, and we are going to save startup file, and from here I'm configured. So if I just close Blender and pop it back up, I'm good to go. The window even loads in the position where I left off. So now let us try to recreate the issues that brought us here today. So I'm being told that the error that we're tracking is related to the installation key map being adjusted in a way that's not compatible. So let us go over to the key map, and I'm just going to search for Alt W, and we'll just look here, and I'm going to just delete activate box cutter. I'm just pressing Alt W, seeing if I can cause it to happen. Let's go back in here. And we'll just delete a few more hotkeys, really mess things up. So we are in box cutter. Oh, I can't even cut. I did mess that up. How do I fix it when I mess it up? I don't even know how to recreate the issue that is being reported, because it supposedly is happening on exit. So, we just close it, and that's me exiting. So now is the question of how do I bring it back up? So let us go to the build folder, and I'm going to hold down the Windows button, press R, and this time I'm going to bring up a CMD, and I'll drag Blender onto the command prompt, press enter, alright, and box cutter still messed up, but now when I exit we can see the console. So the console will tell us what's going on. We just have that underneath. Alright, and so I just click restore, and I am back to work. So let us just close Blender. And we're not looking at any issues here. Let's pop it up again. Alright. Let's press D, go into the helper, and we see that we're able to use things as intended. Alt VE. Alright, a little bit slower to bevel. Accidentally grabbed it with the middle mouse button. I was trying to grab the extrude dot. And here we go. Alt X, push this over to the other side. Let's bring in a cube. In this case, I'm going to hit it with a sphere cast, and then select the main object, select the sphere, the main object, and perform an intersection. And we're just goofing off, just you know, seeing if anything's happening here. So everything appears to be working as intended. Alright, so we're just messing around, having some fun. In fact, let's go into edit mode. And in edit mode, I can't use box cutters, so let's press F4, go back in our preferences, and where's the edit mode of box cutter? Let's just look at this. What happens if I click restore? Let's look at that again. I figured clicking restore would have just fixed it, but it should be edit mode that we're looking for. And here we are. So what happens when we click this? And we are now able to basically cut in edit mode using box cutter again. So we were able to basically restore our hotkeys. So now everything's basically restored, at least in my opinion. So let's test it. I'm going to just close Blender, and console appears pretty. Let us accidentally pressed an extra key. Sometimes I twitch when I'm pressing on the keyboard. So let us bring up another instance, and this time I can Alt W into edit mode, and I can work. In fact, I can destructive in edit mode, non-destructive in object mode. So we just get in here and make hard-hitting real changes to the mesh in edit mode. And then in object mode, we still have the light, delicate, non-destructive hand. So one of the ways I like to work is having a non-destructive in object mode and destructive in edit mode sometimes whenever I'm having to go through a series of repetitious operations over and over and over. So here we are just testing things out, and because I'm able to cut both in edit mode and object mode, I was able to restore my hotkeys. We're looking at the console, and I'm rolling through the shapes, which will cause the console to spit a little output just to let me know that I'm changing shapes. But in this setup scenario that I've went through, I am not able to recreate any issues when it comes to the key map. So it could be an issue with the version, it could be an issue with the configuration, but as always, I always recommend that, you know, in the event of issue, that you go to your installation area, locate, let's see, Blender, and you know, now that I'm done, I can actually restore my original configuration, right? Because I'm not trying to delete my configuration. So I will just delete this new Blender folder, and in the original folder that we renamed A, we will just go ahead and delete the A. I twitched and accidentally pressed an additional key as well. Hopefully it just works out. Alright, and so now when I open up 5.2, I am back to my standard installation that I use daily, already configured for my liking. So Now the video is complete. We can wrap this up and I can go back to where I was at the beginning. But I will be on the lookout for this issue and see about recreating it. But issues can be elusive and bugs can be hard to find, especially when the recreation conditions are hard to get access to. But we will continue to see what can be done.